Good morning, guys. I just turned off the light, but welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Megan Albright, and today
Har du behov for mer utdanning?
okay, guys, so today I'm gonna be I just gotta find. Oh God, I'm short. I'm gonna get picked up in 2 minutes. Of course, I'm late. Jesus. I'm just trying to make a lunchbox for later because I'm gonna go to the library and study with Miss Ghana. Oh, I'm slippery. But anyway, okay, guys, that was a chaotic intro. I thought I was gonna get picked up at 11 o'clock, but the person is running late, so now I have time to make a new intro. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, the sun is out, which means I'm automatically happy. Like, I saw the sun, I started smiling. Like, why not? I can see the car pulling up. No, it's the wrong car. Am I the only one that thinks that people who live in countries with a lot of sun are just way nicer? Like, if you go to Brazil and countries like that, in Africa, like, everyone's just happy because the sun is shining. Even though life is hard, the sun is still shining, you know. But here in the north, you wake up in the morning, you're sad, you're depressed, there's no sun. It just makes you feel like, no one talked to me today. I don't want to be friends, I don't want to talk to anyone. But today's gonna be a good day. The plan for today is to study as much as possible. I haven't really put energy and work and time into studying, but I will be doing it from today. I did open my book last time, but yeah, I didn't really focus, guys, so let's not even let me not lie. But I'm gonna be studying today at the library as always, all day. I did make like a lunchbox or something. I also have to do today's workout. Today is gonna be day 13, which means I've been working out for 2 weeks already, which means it's a habit, guys. So I can basically say I'm a daily workout content creator. I'm joking, guys. I'm just gonna stand here and wait, get picked up, and then we'll see what happens. But I hope you guys love this vlog. Hey guys, guess who's here?
Hey guys.
Yeah, that's what's here. We're gonna try to study now. We've been talking and having a good time.
Too long.
Okay, ska vi listen it? Okay. But yeah.
Ikke studere geologi. Jeg følte folk måtte høre dette.
Ja, det er vanskelig. Difficult.
Det er jo mye rart. Eller hvis du liker om steiner, så gjør det. Men det er alt for mange steiner, og det er jo too much. Så jeg skal bare gå gjennom det.
Uff. Lips dry.
Hva er det du driver og leser om?
Juss.
Juss?
Vi har om det nå, ja. Jeg vet, jeg er også litt... colors. Shit. I need to charge the camera, guys. So
How much do you have?
It's gonna die soon, in like any minute now. I'm gonna charge the camera and I'm gonna continue vlogging later, but I'm gonna be here all day regardless, so it doesn't matter. Wish us luck. Yeah, luck with the study vlog. See you guys in a minute. And this is a new solo with pear and peach. Trying new drinks out here.
You should also hummus.
Nah, you can have it. I think it's spicy. Look at the chicken glistening, guys. Say the chicken's glistening. That's so good. With hummus.
Anbefaler det, altså.
Guys, the view from here, sometimes when I see people, I just think like, I feel like we're robots. Because people are just walking around, people walking left, people walking right. It's just like everybody has their own thing to do. Everyone is living their own life, everyone is in their own little bubble. This person has this boyfriend that lives there, and it's like I'm just like an extra in their movie, and they're like an extra in my movie.
Oh,
And it's like everyone is just living their own life and you're making their own movies, and it's just so fun, I guess, to watch. Sometimes when I see people, I just think to myself like, what kind of life has that person had? Like, do they have a boyfriend? Are they single? You know? Or if you see a couple, you're like, ooh, are they happy? Like the way they talk, the way they walk, the way it's just, I observe a lot.
I'm observing this kebab. So good.
Amen. Oh my dosing of the overdose me. I want. Oh Lord, I'll be overloading your bank account. It's 15 minutes past 7. I think I'll stay here for 1 more hour before I go to the gym. Productive study day, I think it was. Today's workout was good. Another day, another dream to slay. That's my new phrase. But anyway, guys, it's 8 minutes to 4 p.m. Oh, I need my microphone. Can you do it? Hey guys, so today I didn't go to school. I woke up at 3 a.m. Passed out on the couch. So I went to bed. Oh, this thing is shaking. I woke up at 3 a.m. because I passed out on the sofa. I went to bed. Woke up at 7:30. I had school at 8:30. But then I was like, I don't have the energy to even like get up and get ready. It's 7:45, 7:50, 8 o'clock. I was like, yeah, I think I'm just gonna take the day off and sleep. So I slept until about 11 a.m. Woke up at 12 p.m. Just laid in bed until 1 p.m. Got ready, went to the gym. Now I'm at the library because, you know, we can't just do. Yeah, can't let the whole day go to waste. Say hi, Miriam. She's looking so cute today. Like a work lady, you know. Here for business. Here for business.
Okay, I found it.
Oh.
I think. So this shit right here. Det står sånn, jeg har filtret, men jeg har bare måttet kopiere en sånn tommen.
Guys, I said I was gonna get into making TikToks. And I'm doing that. Okay.
Men jeg skal trykke record og trykke start, ikke sant?
Jeg vet ikke, jeg tror det.
Jeg må bare prøve. Ja, det skjer automatisk når jeg trykker start.
Ok, hva skjer?
Vent, det loader. Ok.
Yeah, but it says bestie. She's my bestie though. I really want to get into TikTok, guys, so follow me on TikTok, okay? Please. I'll be dancing one day. I'll make dance videos. When I can.
Yeah. But it's
The struggle is real, guys.
literally...
I'm gonna make 2 TikTok videos today. Guys, I didn't study for shit, but she made a budget for me, so we're gonna see how it goes. But I guess this is the end of the study vlog. I'm gonna go home. I started filming yesterday though, so I'm gonna go home and just relax, honestly.
You deserve it.
Yeah, my lower body hurts, my thighs, everything is just painful. I just need some love. But guys, there's a boy. I'll tell you guys about it when we see how things goes. When we see how things go. Yeah, I'm gonna go make a TikTok, guys. Wait. She said hello. Jeg kan filme deg liksom, fordi bakkamera er bedre, skjønner du? Det er derfor jeg vil huske filme you.
Nei, men jeg skal filme deg.
She's like, oh yeah, that would be me.
Why do I look like that?
Where's the backdrop though?
What about
Okay.
like...
It's giving sexy student 𝗔𝗶𝗵𝗵𝗵𝗏.
Did you say sexy student? Okay.
But how should I get into the shot? Should I just like...
Bare liksom, bare sånn sånn.
Okay. Okay.
Ja, ok.
Altså,
Ok.
Med flash.
Med flash.
Okay.
Der.
So you go.
3, 2, gå.
Hey, fuck with me, but when she see me, she's... I made a TikTok, guys. But yeah, study vlog turned into a TikTok thing.
Outfit check.
Sexy. She actually just giving me professional vibes. Like the trousers, the pants, the top, everything is just like.
She comes like with the cozy fit, and I'm like,
I'm here to study. I'm here to relax. I'm here to have fun.
I'm here to get voice.
Oh, this is the boy that I want already.
Do you want the car?
No, for real, guys. My heart.
Wait, does he watch your vlog?
Yeah, he does actually. Some of my videos. But I hope it makes him happy though seeing this. Then I guess.
Meg, you're shooting your shot. Dude,
I always shoot my shot. That's the thing with me. Once I know that there's an opportunity or there's like an open door,
sorry.
I open the door wide.
Like, I'm not gonna open. I'm gonna break it.
What you said?
You said you thought I was feeling?
I was, and so what? Speak up. I'm here.
Nigga, man.
He ate it for lunch. Oh, he cooks me lunch though.
Oh, Meg, you're.
I'm too much. Okay, I'm just kidding, guys. But thank you
only
guys.
have love eyes, like honestly.
I'm just excited. You know, it's not every day that you like.
Get affection.
Not even get affection. You get affection, but it's not the kind of affection that you want. This is the right kind of affection, but this is not a love story or love vlog. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'm Megan Albright. What's your Instagram?
Ah, I get a shout out.
Yeah,
Okay.
tell them.
Okay, listen. My Instagram.
State your name, fam.
My name is Miriam Time. My Instagram is Miriam.et.
Okay, guys. Don't forget to hit the fat subscription button. Be like, yo, fat B. Pop, pop, pop. I'm just too extra because I'm tired. But I'll see you guys in the next video. And I love you guys so much. So much. Thank you.